This is gonna make me mad, y'all. All right, y'all. So we doing next part of this video that we have. They're doing a cleanup process. So all of this plastic has to get up. So I said I was gonna end the video there, but then I was like, wait a minute, I can still keep recording. Just record the cleanup process. So let's see if we can put this cover on this trash bag. Y'all think I can do it? We might be able to, y'all. Look like we might be able to. Yeah. It's barely. There we go. We got one half in here. Now we gotta focus on doing the other half. It's like every time I want to record, another car or a bus or a big truck want to come by. So I do apologize if y'all didn't get to hear me in the first part of the video. We're gonna get this in here. Damn it. Now, to tie it up, rest in peace. Well, there it is. We're gonna keep our grow bags. Hopefully they don't blow around. See what our temperature is. Right now we at 60 degrees out here. See, I gotta find places. I'm gonna have to get me another green stop. Not a green stop, greenhouse. Because I got too much stuff that I need to put away. And I don't have no place to put them. I think we're gonna work on getting us a bigger greenhouse. One day we will get us a big one. But until then, this is what we're gonna have to do. All right, now we're gonna put the trash can back where it goes. I don't want it to blow away. So I move all the sticks and stuff from it. All right, y'all. This is the end of this video. If you can like and subscribe to my channel, it'll be highly appreciated. Try to do more videos, just not no long duration videos, but just a good 30-minute, 45-minute videos of stuff I got going on. I am on Twitch, so if you could come over there and follow me. I do stream over there. I play the game, play horror games. We do funny like reactions and stuff. So if you can, come over there, follow me. Playboy88, PLAYBOII88. I think all the information should be in the in my bio. But if it's not, it's definitely in on my bio on the profile on here. It's on TikTok. All my information's on there. All right, chat. So until then, catch y'all later.